Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. This is a video about moving overlays and multiple moving overlays, and I've also got a spreadsheet, a couple of spreadsheets that you can download. I've put a link in the description and hopefully they'll be helpful. So if we look at a static overlay, we just have like a number for the x-axis and a number for the y-axis, and that's, for my example, it's across 100 pixels and down 200 pixels, and this is the part here where all the action is. And if we want a moving overlay, we need to add the variable of time. So we've got t there specifying seconds, and that's moving at 100 pixels per second, starting off at 100 across and 200 down. And then just to see some other variables that you can change the coordinates, I've got, so if you want it to move diagonally, you change x and y. You can put a negative number, so t times a negative number. You can also, if you want it to move faster, I've got t to the power of 3. And if you want it to go in a circle, we've got this command here where we use cosine and sine. It's 600 out because otherwise it'd be right in the corner. And this one here, I've taken from a spreadsheet that I've used, which works out, I want to move along the XY axis, and so you just click on the code, download zip on the link I give you, and you can download all the spreadsheets that I have. I think there's 2 at the moment. You can also look at the raw data because it's a .fods, and you can open it with LibreOffice, calc. So this is the first tab of the spreadsheet, and you've got the first 4 columns that you put the information into, the data into, and then here's the formulas that I've used. You can see them. And then this is the output, the x and then the y coordinates are worked out for you. So you've got, well, this one is a bunch of different video overlays that are overlaying at specific times, so it looks like they're moving one after the other. And then if we go to this tab, there's the text. You just copy it, select it all the red text, you copy it, and then you can just paste it into your terminal, so it saves you writing when you want to try things out. And it should work. I mean, I haven't done any bug testing, so but hopefully it'll work for you. But certainly it saves a lot of time if you're wanting to use a lot of different movements. So this one is when there's just 2, so you've got the background video and the video you want to overlay, but you want to move it all over the place, and it's still using the same XY coordinates. It just takes those and makes a big command. You select it, copy, and paste it into the terminal. I guess you could paste it to a notepad and just keep it as a bash script and run it as a script. because it does have that warning there. The other spreadsheet I have is I have another one here, yep. And it's just two videos that you might want to overlay. I mean a base video and then the overlay. And see here I'm writing 200 colon 100 colon and it makes a square. So this is just a problem that I deal with by changing 100 to 101 and then just going back in and changing it. So there's some little autocorrect problems like that when you're using the spreadsheets. And also if you're wanting to type in the coordinates, if you type in T, sometimes it'll autocorrect to a capital. And so so like in here, if I wrote T to the power of 3 and press enter, then it goes to a capital T. So I just go back in and make it a lowercase and then click outside on this other cell and it fixes that problem. But so it's not ideal, but it might be helpful to save you some time while you're playing around. And I hope that is helpful for someone out there. I've got all the links in the description, and have a lovely day. Bye.